Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always nimble. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reach the sky. Every trade.
Yo, good morning, everybody. How's it going? Be right back. Hang on. What's up, Chantel? What's going on? How's it going? Just trading these accounts here. Up a little bit in each one. Up a little bit in each one here. See what we can do. Sweet. Sounds good. You doing good? You doing any trading or just watching, sitting back watching? You doing any trading or just sitting back watching? We got a little fair value gap holding us up here. Oh, nice. Yeah, the longs overnight played out well. So did this orb this morning for London session, man. Look how perfect. You could have got in twice. Came up, got in here, winner. Got in here, winner. I was trying to play shorts back down to the orb, but I got out a few times. I got in right here with my stop up here somewhere, and it almost took me out and then came back down, but then it took me out at break even right here. I got in a short again. It started to go down, got me out at break even. I got in a short again, got out right there. I got in a short right here, averaged in right here, and then got all out right here. Yeah. Savvy Taco, you need a win today? Come on, man. Should have taken the orb. You should have taken the orb, Savvy Taco. You would have had look at these wins. Beautiful orb plays this morning. I found this sweet orb indicator too. It gives you these targets. This is 50% of the orb. So from here to here, it's the same amount from here to here. And that's your first target. And then your second target is a full orb. Bang. And then if it goes higher, it'll throw out more targets as it goes up too. Well, I'll use the London Open. So it's usually 3 o'clock a.m. Eastern time, but the time changed. So now it's 4 o'clock a.m. Eastern time because of the spring forward time change. So right now, London Open is at 4 o'clock a.m. Eastern time. This is called orb and targets Type in opening range breakout on TradingView, and it'll be the one by Lux Algo. And then I changed it a little bit. I turned off show historical data. I added a custom range 4 to 4:15 a.m. and UTC -4 is Eastern time. But yeah, I just do the opening of each session. So 4 to 4:15 is London session right now. Usually it's 3 a.m., but like I said, because of the time change, right now it's 4 a.m. and then New York would be 9:30 a.m. But yeah, I changed historical data. I turned that off because if you don't, it'll show all the previous orbs. So I turned that off just to only show this orb. And then I ticked custom range here. And yeah, that's what I did. I also, what else did I do? I just increased these here. The targets, they were lower color. I made them full, so they're easier to see, these little things right here. But yeah, you gotta wait for 9:40 to trade New York session. And why is that? Why do you have to wait? Is this thing gonna keep going higher here? Is this gonna keep on coming up? It's the real question we gotta ask ourselves here. Come break these highs and then come break these highs right here. It looks good to keep going up, man. Go break those highs, come up. Break these highs right here. And then eventually today, break these highs. I mean, today just feels like an up day, you know? I don't know. It looks good to come up. I mean, we got a higher low right here. We got a higher low. It swept this area right here. Kind of a little fake out to continue higher. It swept that area, but stayed above this area to make a higher low, and now it just feels like it could go up today. That's your rules? Nice. Way to stick to your rules. Me, if it was me, dude, I would be degenning. Oh, dude, look. I was going to enter a short just a minute ago. Should have. I do think we eventually go up, but I just think we come back down and then go up. Come down, kind of pop back in right below here and then go up. That's just what I feel like. That's just, or maybe right here. Either there or pop below this right here. Somewhere in here. Feel like that's where we're going. I feel like that's where we're going right now. First target though was right here. These kind of equal lows right here, man. I'm drawing. Yep, there it goes. Oh, just made another equal low. But let's see. It's breaking those now. I should have stayed in, man. Should have stayed in these trades. Should have stayed in the trades, man. What's everybody else doing? Anybody in some trades or looking at something? Is anybody in a trade or looking at getting in one? This is the 5-minute chart right here. I tried out Tradeify this time with these take profit trader accounts. I'm doing some take profit evals, man. I really want some take profit trader accounts. So working on 2 evals right here. First day working on them. And yeah, I did Tradeify this time instead of Quantower because it's only 2 accounts. So then I can trade directly from TradingView, like on my phone at work and stuff, so I can just trade straight from my phone. That's why I chose Tradeify this time. And if you trade them one account at a time on Tradeify, you can have the ATM strategy. So you can have your strategies here. I got a 40 tick strategy I like to use. It's one of my go-tos here, 40-40. Call it the 40-40. You know, you basically got a coin flip whether you're going to get a win or not. Basically a coin flip whether you're going to win or not here. Thinking about getting in another short here soon. But, you know it's later than I usually get on, but I've been taking this week kind of to rest and been sleeping in. Feels good, man. But I did just want to hop on. I was going to be trading here for a few minutes anyway, so I figured I'd just hop on and say what's up to everybody. I need to get a new schedule, man. Cuz with working, I go into work a lot earlier now, so I need to get some sleep, but I got to find a stream schedule. I don't know. Maybe I'll stream from like 6:30 to 8 in the morning or something. I could do that. Or I could stream maybe at night. I don't know. But I can't keep waking up at 3 a.m. when I go into work early. 10-minute fair value gap. 10-minute fair value gap. Let's check it, Rob. Let's check the 10-minute here. 10-minute right there. Yep, that's right around the target I was looking at. That those yellow lines right there. Yep. Let's see. I'm thinking about taking a short here soon. I'll try it right now. We got a 40-40 coming in right here. We'll get a 40-40. See what happens with that. We'll see what happens there. Let me see about this other account here. Go ahead and give it a try. It's working there. It's in there. Yeah, man, we're in these trades here. I'm going to try to get some profit out of them. Good thing is, if I like this one, I can just get out of there. Got out of that one on the other account. It's up 200 on the day. Stay in this one. MB, you just to get Apex on Rhythmic, you go on their page and you select Rhythmic. You just select Rhythmic on their page, and that's how you can trade with Rhythmic. I'm gonna go right down here for this one. Should have stayed in that other one, man. Feeling good about this trade here. I think it's gonna keep on coming down here. Move that down right there. Keep on pumping down for me, baby. Pump it down. Move that down there into profit. Probably going to get taken out. Unless we get a dump down. All right, man. I'll just take that. Got it. Boom. Got it. 570 and 200 in these accounts here. Working them. Just working them, man. I noticed that's what I'm not doing lately. That's what I'm not doing. That's my bread and butter there. Just take what the market gives you and get the heck out. You get into profit. Just take that junk and just do it over and over. Market gives you $100. Take it. You take $100 3 times, you got $300 on the day. I notice, man. I'm over here going for bigger trades when the market's just constantly, every single trade, I'm just getting that 100. I'm getting that 100 and it reverses on me. So if I'm getting $100 every trade, just take it and run. If it keeps going, don't get mad, because you can just, at least your bias was right. But if it's giving you $100 every single trade, you just just turn and burn on that 100, or 50 or whatever it is, just take, when the market gives you in profit, move your stops early, move them to break even. If you get stopped to break even, it's fine. It's a free trade. As soon as have a plan in your head. I imagine you put your orders where you think price is good. You don't put your orders where you think price is gonna go negative on you. You don't put an order where you think price is just gonna keep working against you. So that's not your plan anyway. So as soon as price starts moving in your direction, move your stops down into profit early. Because you put your order there because you think that's a spot that price can reverse anyway, or instantly put you in profit. So if you put your order down and it's going negative against you, it's not doing what you want anyway, So as soon as it gets into profit, I move my stops. I take a lot of break even trades, but all it takes is that one runner. And you're looking good, Like this one, it's going down, but hey, I took $100 off the table, took $100 off right here, and then boom, it would have went back negative. I entered here, got 100, would have went back negative, so I didn't want that, so I'm happy, Then I could have even re-entered if I wanted to. I could have took 100, came back up, took it again, took another 100. And then, but it's coming down now, so let's see. Let's see if it goes down to that orb right there. There's the orb. There's that orb. Boom, just tapped the orb again. It just tapped the orb. Is it gonna hit that yellow spot we got on there? Or is it gonna reverse here from the orb after breaking this low right here? Is it gonna hit a reverse? Let's see. What's up, Mark the Shark? We got Mark the Shark in the building here. Mark the Shark. is in the building. Good morning, Mark. Now I'm just hopping on for a few minutes. Missed you guys. Wanted to get on here and say what's up. This week I've been sleeping in. This week, man. This going into work real early stuff's for the birds, man. But I have to do it. I gotta do it. Just going into work early, junks, for the birds. Let's see if it reverses here. Kind of swept this low right here. Swept that low, and then reversed. I was thinking it was going to keep on coming down a little bit, but that could be the sweep it needed to push up. Rob said, why not trade full time? Because, Rob, my dad owns jewelry stores, and I have to go run one of them. I have to go run one of the jewelry stores, or I would definitely do it. Sounds like fun, just hanging out on stream with you guys all day. You're at work trading in your car? I was thinking about it, dude. I was thinking about it. With a new schedule, just go kind of wake up early in the morning, go get my workout in, and then just head on into work and stream from work until we open. I have to start putting out the jewelry at 9:30, so I figured I could stream from like 7 up until market open. I figured I could do that. I made something else yesterday. I'm about to upload it. I'm about to upload it into the Google Photos so I can show everybody. This one's not as cool. Oh God, I turned on backup. Okay, and turned it off. Don't want to back up none of that. Don't want to back up all my photos to the company, Google Photo. Mark's you're a policeman? Nice, Mark. Thanks, brother. Everybody thank Mark. He's out here protecting us. Dude, is it fun? I bet it's scary sometimes, but I bet it's fun too, Mark. Rob said the back or the front. Mark, you in the back or the front? Okay, so look at this. I made this shadow band here. So this lady brought in this middle ring and this bottom band, and she wanted another band made like the bottom band for the ring. So I had to make this top band. I make it on the computer where it follows the profile of this ring right here, and then add this little thing, because over here this one has it too, to go around the head right here. and then add the diamonds in there. So I made this yesterday. Well, I finished it up yesterday. But yeah, you see, just matching just like the other one down here at the bottom. Matching that ring. And looks great. I'm making another cool one coming up. But gonna all right, Rob. See you next week, brother. See you next week, Rob. Thanks for stopping by, hanging out with us. Price just moving around here, man. Let's see what's gonna happen. Is it gonna go up or go down? Is the real question. Price gonna go up or go down here to our little yellow target area there. See what this 5 minutes looking like. See what this 5 minutes looking like. I'm not, not at this exact moment either. I did like it up here. I had a good read on the market. I had a good read in all this. I was looking for shorts during all this, and I got the short down to where I wanted it. So now I don't really exactly know. I still think it goes a little bit lower. So if it pops up here somewhere, I'll look for another short, but don't think it's going to. I think it was just going to go down here. If it would have popped up somewhere up in here, I would have took another short, but it didn't do that. It's just going straight down. Mark's betting on VWAP touch before it goes higher. Let me turn on this VWAP. Turn on his VWAP. Didn't have it. Got the VWAP right there. Let me change the color. Let me change this color. I'll make it a green color. Got the VWAP right there. It's that green color right there. We're inside of this yellow box here now, like I said. So inside of the orb, approaching the VWAP here. Let's see. See if we continue on down, man. See what happens. If we're going to continue lower. If we're going to pop back up. Yep, there it was, Rob. Mark. It touched the VWAP. New lows would be nice for the week. God, no, dude. I want some highs, dude. My freaking long-term portfolio hurting right now. I want to see some hires. I want to see you go up for the next year. I want to see it go up for the next year here. I want to trade, man. I just don't know what to take here. Don't know where we're going. Don't know if we're going to come down past this orb here or not. Don't know if we're going to dump down to the bottom of the orb or if we're going to go back up here. I'm just kind of in a tricky situation here. I mean, we're in this gap. We're in this gap here. Got a fair value gap right here. In this little 1 minute fair value gap. You do think we'll make new highs? I mean, I do eventually. I'm gonna be adding. If we go lower, dude, I am adding to the long term, man. If we go lower, I'm gonna be adding. And if we get down here, buddy, I'm just gonna break the bank adding. Okay. We get down here, I'm just gonna break the snot out of my bank adding. All down here. Just gonna unload. Add it all. Just gonna add it all. Whoa. Coming down here, buddy. We're coming down. We're coming down. Oh yeah, Adrian. Just add it all. It's got to come back up eventually, right? The only way it doesn't come back up is if the U.S. collapses, and if the U.S. collapses, then I won't need any money anyway. You know, I won't need any money anyway. Popping back up here. Popping back up. See what's gonna happen with the price, man. Let's see what's gonna happen. Adrian said, if U.S. collapses, it's over for everyone. True story. Let's see, man. We're going to keep on dumping down here. Take a look at this 5-minute chart. Well, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart right here. I'm gonna make this VWAP here. I like it kind of a white color. So there's that VWAP. I think we go back up eventually, man. We did kind of break that high right there. Break that high, started dumping. See if we continue lower. Probably about to get off of here though. Just want to do a quick little stream just to say what's up on a Friday, but about to get off of here. I'm about to have to get ready for work. So yeah, I think that's just going to be it for today. Just a quick little stream just to get on here and say what's up to everybody. Try to get back on it. Oh, man, I was going to enter a long. Should have. Look at that pop. But, yeah, just wanted to get on here, say what's up. And now I'm about to get off. So hope everybody has a good day. Stay safe in these markets. And I'll see you. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always nimble. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky.